During the war, there was an ad in the newspaper, and they wanted teachers to come. Mack Truck was the company, and they wanted us to come and work during the summer, and waterproof brake shoes for Mack trucks to be sent overseas. And we had a table of about 24 teachers that we hadn't known before, and we had to take the brake, they were heavy, had to take the brake shoes and dip them in this smelly oil, and then you had to wrap them with waterproof tape, and then you had to dip them in hot wax. And after that, you put them in boxes and sealed them and prepared them for shipment. And through that process, I met a girl, and we became friends forever. She was a teacher in another system. I worked to help, and life went on as usual. Well, you know, the war was on, they needed help, and so we were willing to volunteer and do whatever they wanted us to do, and that's what they wanted us to do.